Bringing it back to our market, ANZ delivering its third quarter trading update. Net loans and advance payments edging up to 3%. Customer deposits up 2% in the quarter ending June. Mortgage payments past their due date for 90 days or more rose 5 basis points to 84 basis points for ANZ's Australian housing loans. And the CET1 ratio, a measure of core capital banks that banks are required to maintain, stood at 13.3% as of the end of June, lower than 13.5% at the end of the March quarter. ANZ didn't disclose its quarterly cash profit figure, and shares are just a little bit lower today. Looking at medical glove and surgical protective suits maker Ansell posting a 48.4% drop in full-year net profit to $76.5 million. Revenue down 2.2% to $1.62 billion. Shareholders will receive an unfranked dividend of 21.9 cents per share, which is down 16%. Ansell, though, expecting full-year 25 earnings to grow on increased sales and benefits from its acquisition of Kimberly-Clark's PPE business, and shares are up 5% today. One stock going the other way, though, this is Dexus. Adjusted funds from operations coming in at $516.3 million. Dexus reporting a net loss after tax of $1.59 billion, and shareholders will receive a 48-cent distribution per security. Vicinity Centres has posted a net profit of $547 million for the financial year, a jump of 102% from full year 23. The group will issue a distribution per security of 11.75 cents for the year. Funds from operations coming in above guidance at 14.6 cents. It's also settled a 50% stake purchase of a mall in Perth, a premium asset, for $420 million. The shopping centre generating $800 million in annual retail sales. CEO Peter Huddle saying that while the immediate term remains uncertain, the outlook for the medium and longer term is optimistic on a positive retail sector. Wealth management platform Hub24 reporting underlying full-year profit of $67.8 million, which is up 15% on full year 23. Total funds under administration rising 30% for the year to the end of June to $104.7 billion, while it saw record annual net inflows of $15.8 billion, which is up 62% on the prior year. Total revenue for full year 24 came in at $327.3 million, a 17% increase. It will pay out a final fully franked dividend of 19.5 cents a share. Hub24 targeting funds under administration between $115 and $123 billion by full year 26. And we are going to be speaking to the Hub24 CEO a little later. We'll also be speaking to Deterra Royalties, the mining royalties company, reporting net profit after tax of $154.9 million, revenue increasing 5% to $240.5 million. It says a 13% increase in iron ore pricing was offset by a 2% decrease in sales volumes, and it's declared a fully franked final dividend of 14.4 cents a share and a full year payout of 29.3 cents. The company, though, did not provide any guidance. Shares up 3%. The other company earnings, retailer Baby Bunting reporting an 83% drop in full year net profit to $1.7 million, down from $9.9 million in full year 23. The dividend cut by a third to 1.8 cents per share, and Baby Bunting rising. At one point it was up 15%. The metals recycler Sims swinging to a net loss of $57.8 million in the year to June, citing challenging conditions in the global scrap market. A fully franked final dividend of 10 cents per share has been declared, down 52.4% from last year. Plumbing supplies group Reliance Worldwide Corporation suffered a 21% slide in reported net profit after tax for 2024 to $110.1 million because of weaker demand in the US and Australia. And the motor vehicles accessories manufacturer ARB posting a 16% rise in full year net profit above $100 million, sending shares higher by 6%.